Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 S550 4MATIC. This one's in the obsidian black metallic. Underneath the hood is a 4.7 V8 bi-turbo with 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package with a sports exterior and interior. 19-inch split 5-spoke AMG wheels. A nut brown leather interior with a black poplar wood trim. Panorama sunroof. This one does come with the warmth and comfort package with heated and cooled front and rear seats. S550 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Comfort box for extra storage. Driver's assistance package with Distronic Plus. Premium one with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system. Ambient lighting. Illuminated door sill. Heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Wood and leather steering wheel. Push start ignition. Navigation. Surround view backup camera with sensors. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. Touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. Sports and comfort driving modes. Hard keys for a media display. This S-Class has 45,048 miles. If you'd like to view more photos or if you'd like to check out more of this S-Class, visit us at feldmanimports.com.